Hi, good morning. Today I am doing a Corsa 2010, and the common problems of this Corsa, the indicator is not making a noise. If you can turn off the hazard light and you can turn on the indicator left, right side, and then you can see no noise. When you press the indicator left side, no noise. And you know, the seat belt or any lights turn on, and when the lights are turned on and you lock the car and it start beeping, otherwise it's gonna drain the battery. So if you have the problem is like that, so we have to fix your car. You have to bring the car and we're gonna sort it out. Your car ready will be in 2 hours. And if you have the problem of like that, we can ready your car. You have to bring the car and then we can fix your car in 2 to 3 hours. I am in Hounslow, my Hounslow Motor Limited, my garage is, and we are in near Heathrow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango. Hounslow Motor Limited. My name is Terry and my phone number is 07402536382. And if you can turn on the hazard is working. Outside everything is working, but no noise coming. So if you have the problem of like that, you can contact me, book with me, and you can send the message on WhatsApp and I will come back to you. Thanks for watching my video. My phone number I am telling again, 07402536382.